gosh, you guys, this is the smallest advent ever. I mean, it is so tiny. Hey, beautifuls. Welcome back to my channel where we are doing lots of advent unboxings right now. Today, we're going to be checking out the Sephora 12-day advent calendar. Previously, we did an unboxing of the 24-day advent, and it was insanely amazing, you guys. Like, seriously, it was so good. And in that video, I recommended that if you guys wanted to try one similar, you should check out this 12-day advent. So I did get this calendar. We're going to do an unboxing of it. We're going to check it all out and see what's inside. Now, per usual, I will be posting a link down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this calendar. Keep in mind that this is sold by Sephora, but you can only purchase it inside of a Kohl's department store. So if you go to your traditional Sephora location, they will not have this in stock. You actually have to go to a Kohl's store and then they will have these advents there for sale. So what I did is I just purchased this through the Kohl's app. I was able to look at all of the Kohl's in my location here in Omaha, and then it would tell me which ones had this available. And then I just did a pickup order, you guys, because that was easiest. So I just ordered it through the app, went in, picked it up, and I was good to go. So it retails for $75. There are supposed to be $198 worth of products inside of this advent. The design and shape of the advent is the same as the full-size 24-day advent. So I do like that it looks similar, but it is just so little, you guys. But it is only going to feature 12 products inside. Even the inside of the calendar looks exactly like the other one. So they really did keep it all the same. But I mean, you guys, I am so used to these huge advents that take up my whole video space. I mean, I can hold it with one hand. I never get to do that with advents. So door number 1 has Rare Beauty inside of it. This one is going to be the mascara. I had to double check there, you guys. I sometimes do that. I'm like confident and I know what it is, and then I'm like, wait a second, is it actually that? And then I doubt myself, and then I have to double check. But yes, this is the mascara from Rare Beauty. It is in the shade black. It is travel sized. This is a great mascara. It's got an amazing wand on here as well, so great way to start the box off. I gotta show you, door number 2 is actually really large compared to some of these other doors. So let's see what this looks like in here. So this was in the other one, right? So this is from Dr. Dennis Gross. It is the Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. And inside of this, we do have 5 treatments. I'm pretty sure this was in the other one as well. And this is going to be a deluxe travel size. Their traditional sample box only has 3 treatments, but this has 5 inside of it, so it is a little bit bigger. But this peel will help to remove texture and bumps. It's gonna be a chemical process that's gonna make your skin smoother and softer after using it. You know, I technically didn't look. There's a very good chance that this advent is going to be the exact same thing as the other one, just with only 12 products in it. I don't know, but that could happen. This is what happens when you don't read. Door number 3, we have Sunday Riley. This is the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. It is travel size. This was in the other one. So love the brand. It's a great product. Once again, it's going to help to take down any fine lines, wrinkles. It's also going to smooth and clear your skin up as well. In day number 4, we have a product from Tarte. This is the Lip Plump product. So this will be a lip plumper and it will help to give your lips, you know, a little bit more plumpness to them, obviously. The shade that we have is Rosy Mauve. And this is what it will look like here. So it is kind of that balmy consistency. It's a gorgeous color. But wasn't this in there too, in the other one? So I thank you guys. So see, this is good because if you missed the other calendar, at least this might be available in your area. Just check your Kohl's apps and see if you can get it or not. Because so far this is going really well. We got a full-size product? Okay, I legit thought there's no way we'll have full-size products in here because it is a smaller calendar and because it is only 12 days. I don't know, you guys. I just assumed we wouldn't have any full-size products, but we have a full-size Charlotte Tilbury product in here. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat. It's the same one as the other Advent. Pillow Talk 2. So this is a lip liner, and you're going to get that gorgeous Pillow Talk shade. So it's kind of like a pinky brown color. It's a little bit deeper because it is a medium shade. She has different like levels for these products, but it's gorgeous. I cannot believe we got a full-size product in here. Okay, you guys, I know I've only opened up 5 days, but I can already tell you that we have definitely hit that $75 price point with the brands that I'm seeing in here. I am so excited. Day number 6 is the brand that has the really long names, you guys. So this is the Peter Thomas Roth, and I just don't feel like reading it all today. So it is their moisturizer, and it is a super hydrating moisturizer. 7.5 ml is what we have here for product. I do like, though, that they did not put this in the last day of the Advent like they did in the other one. So this is kind of nice that they put it in day 6. Oh my gosh, you guys. We have another full-size product. So this is the Ole Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. It is a full-size lip butter. Oh my gosh. Oh my, you holy bananas, you guys. My mind is literally exploding right now. Like, I just cannot believe that I just can't believe it, you guys. I am flabbergasted. So this butter is going to be hydrating. It has peptides in it to fight off fine lines as well. It's also going to moisturize your lips. I am so impressed with this, you guys. Like, seriously, you need to download the KOHL'S app right now and look in your stores, see if they have the inventory. And if they do, get this Advent, because I am shocked already that it's this good. Day number 8 has a fragrance in here. This is from Clean Reserve. The scent is called Skin, and we have 3 ml of product. Now this is a different fragrance. In the other one we had Joe Malone, and it was a little bit bigger than this one, but I still think this is great. We also had like Gucci in there. There was a couple other ones, but we did not have this product. Now, this is going to be a rollerball perfume that we have here. And, oh, it is strong. This is a really strong fragrance. It kind of burns my nostrils, I'm not going to lie. So it's definitely clean. It's crisp. It's fresh. And I do think it's a really nice scent. It's just a really strong alcohol scent. But still, a fragrance in this calendar, I will take it. All right, door number 9 is pretty big over here again. Let's see what we have going. You don't think, I mean, would they do 3 full-size products? I wouldn't think so, but let's see. We have, oh, it's Amika. Okay, this is the Soul Food product. It is a hair care mask, and it is travel size at 1 ounce. This will give moisture back to your hair. In door number 10, we have got the spritzer from Sol de Janeiro. This is their perfume mist. So this is a travel size that we have here. This mist is supposed to smell like vanilla orchid and violet and sandalwood. It's a really great, soft, feminine scent, but it's nice that it's a perfume mist as well. So it's not going to be super strong like some of the other like alcohol-based ones will be. This is actually a really nice, light, feminine scent. Also, I have to point out, the doors are so much easier to open in this Advent compared to the FabFitFun one, because like this, these are all going to be the little pull tabs, just like that other one, but this actually works. I felt like I was fighting with the FabFitFun Advent the whole time. So in day number 11, we have the Glow Recipe product. This is their Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. So this is a product that is skincare, but they've added a bronzer to this. So you get like a no makeup look, if that makes sense. So it's good for your skin because it has niacinamide. It will give you hydration, fight off wrinkles and fine lines, but it's also going to give you a soft bronzing glow. So you can kind of tell with this color here that it's just a little bit warmer. It's perfect for those days that you don't want to put on a full face of makeup. Just put this on instead and it's your skincare routine, but it does give you a bit of color. All right, we are up to day number 12 right now, which is the last official day in the Advent. However, I do have 2 bonus doors, which I'm kind of guessing I already know the bonus doors. I have a feeling this bonus is going to be the little spongy puff that we got earlier. That's my hunch. But let's open up day 12 here. So in the final door, we have a full-size product, you guys. Oh my goodness. It's from Milk Makeup. It is a full-size product. In the last video that I made, I thought it was travel size, but after I looked it up and all my subscribers told me, it is actually full size. This is the size they make it in. So it is a Milk Makeup bronzer. It's a cream stick, and it's supposed to be a mattifying stick. It's called Baked is the shade name. So this is what it will look like here. You guys, there are 3 full-size products inside of this advent. And good brand names, I might add as well, you guys. Like, everything that I've seen in here, like, seriously, if you look at this, Amika, Milk, we've got Clean Reserve, Sunday Riley, Tarte, we've got, not Niacinamide, Glow Recipe in here. I mean, seriously, Charlotte Tilbury, like, all of these are really great brand names inside of this advent. It's just unbelievable. Okay, so we're gonna do our large bonus door. I would bet money though this is gonna be the Beauty Blender sponge, the one that I did not like the last time. So inside of our bonus door, it is, you guys. It's the little sponge. Look at it. So now I have 2 of these, but I would have taken any of the other products in the advent as my bonus. So that one's, it's just okay for me. The last bonus item that we have in here, ooh, I think this is the Laura Mercier product, you guys. See what I mean? Why couldn't we have had that instead of the Beauty Blender? Because we did. We got the Laura Mercier setting powder in here. So if they were willing to do that, I feel like we could have substituted out the Beauty Blender with any of the other products. So that is everything inside of the advent calendar from Sephora by KOHL'S, maybe? Or is it KOHL'S by Sephora? Anyways, this is the special 12-day advent, you guys. I gotta say, I love it. Now, for $75, I love that there are 3 full-size products inside of this. I think that's awesome. I do like the brands that we're seeing in here as well. And truthfully, if you weren't able to get your hands on that 24-day advent, this feels so similar to it that it's just as exciting. It's just as thrilling to open up. So I do recommend this, you guys. I like that it's a little bit smaller too. And I think outside of the sponge, they chose really good items to put in here. So if you guys are interested in this advent, make sure you check out your local KOHL'S department stores because I think this one is super fun. But comment down below, let me know, what do you think of this 12-day advent? And we can chit chat all about it. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you all in my next advent unboxing. Bye!